things they solve for this country. Just watch this.
Yesterday, I watched Wike's media chat. He answered all the questions. But when it comes to cow, they said, why do we have cows on our streets in Abuja? He said he has capacity to stop cow. But because of some reasons, he cannot stop them. Government with the fear cow. But they are quick to disrespect human being. Government with the fear cows. He said they have to go to NSA for him or DSS for him to get rid of cows on our streets in Abuja. That is when you know that this government, they are on selective development. I can see many of them attacking Cardinal Nikon and the bishops, stating the obvious that the country is bleeding. If the country is not bleeding, why are all your children graduating from UK and US universities? Why? Why? If the country is doing well, why didn't UK's daughter graduate from Insuka or OAU? Why? Yoruba age. The person where then they lie to, if you don't know, the person where they lie knows that is lying. This government will go down in the history of our country as the worst government ever in the history of Nigeria. And you, that you are quiet, that you are not talking, or that you are supporting them, you will go down in the history as one of the wicked Nigerians. I repeat, this government is the worst government in the history of our country. And you, the supporter, the fan that is fanning this shaggy government, you too will go down in the history as Jegudu, Jera. This is the worst government. And all the government officials supporting and attacking Cardinal Nikon. I want
Upload your products and services on findamnow.com. Download the app on Google Play Store or App Store, or go to findamnow.com. Upload your goods and services, your products, so that you'll be selling. Also, anything that you want, go and search for it in findamnow.com.
Hello, everyone. Well, they said churches don't collect taxes, and that's a fact. So the situation whereby someone abdicates responsibility and say that, oh, the churches should feed people, just like Tinubu said. Hey, churches are under no obligation to feed people. It is the responsibility of government to take care of the welfare of the people and also to protect the people. And government cannot fail. You can't rig election to get into place and then begin to tell people that they should go and look for, are you okay? As seen. Churches don't collect tax. Ladipo Johnson slams Tinubu over hunger comment. A former National Publicity Secretary of the New Nigeria People's Party, NNPP, now a chieftain of the Nigerian Democratic Congress, NDC, Ladipo Johnson, has slammed Bola Tinubu over a recent statement credited to him during his meeting with the Catholic Bishops' Conference of Nigeria. Ladipo Johnson described the statement as a shocking low point in the history of presidential communication in Nigeria. Tinubu has never hidden the fact that he does not have an ounce of sympathy, neither has his wife or his children. They've always shown that how disdainful they were of Nigeria, and the suffering of Nigeria does not matter to them. For me, and this is just my own opinion, it's theory. It's not as I don't have any evidence on this, whatever. I just feel like the way Tinubu, treats Nigeria and the way he does Nigeria, it's almost as if there is something that was done to him as a child that he's now revenging. I'm going to destroy you people for that hurt that you cost me. And being someone that nobody really knows anything about, you don't know his origin, you don't know who his parents are, you don't know primary school, no secondary school, nothing, BSc. This time in his INEC, he didn't put any of those schools, whatever, that he just put BSc. That is it. Whatever you take BSc, can be BSc, maybe he got it from an Akara wayside, from the University of Akara making, or University of Corn selling. It's almost as if, like I say, Nigeria, something was done to him, and then he has been on that vendetta mission that he's going to do something to Nigeria, and he's finally getting that opportunity because some of
Download Find Am now so that you can upload your products and services, so that people go they buy from you steady. Findamnow.com. Go there now, upload your products and services.
Now that we have started to talk about the Edo interactive session in London, held or hosted by the Edo State Governor, Multilevel, let's address the elephant in the room, the essence of that meeting in the first place. Because from pictures and videos we have seen from that event, it was a total chaos. It was chaotic. It was well disorganized. As in, when you properly disorganize an event, you created a disorganized event, as it were. It was rousy, it was uncoordinated, uncontrolled, and I can tell that the essence of that event wasn't rich, except for a few persons who got food, who drank Martel and Casamigo and the likes, and then of course some people went home with ladies for the night. It's unfortunate that in 2026, big 2026, Edo State Governor would gather everybody in his government and beyond, go to London to go and waste time. You would have, like I said last year, by this time last year, I think September, when you had that one you had in Scotland, I said, take out time. If you say you are going for vacation, nobody holds you. As a way of being governor of Edo State, you got the leverage to take at least 1 or 2 weeks break and say you are going to rest. Nobody holds you. But to not do all of this, you do all of this drama, calisthenics, charade, chaotic one. The only person that benefited in that event was the agent that did visas for all of the guys that went to London. That's the only beneficiary, not Edo. Because while you were in London, I'm going to read a portion of what somebody that attended. I was invited by Affliate. At this level, with the way I know Edo, these guys, they will manage the event such a way that you never have a chance to ask questions. And then they're going to use your picture for photo ops and use it to say people that doesn't like the governor came and then they were looking for how to get to the governor. You know, nobody can say, I've been trying to get access to the governor. I've been invited to be part of the government several times by several persons. And I said, no, because the biggest problem of the Bewelo's government are the people who he listens to. People, it's think tank. I cannot call them think tank because it's supposed to be a positive way. The tank that is jobless, empty, that are around him, they are the ones that is problem. Because at this time, you do not expect, it was even better to have a selected few individuals come in, have quality conversation. Our sister state data, while we are wasting money, wasting time and energy in Lagos, hosted Invest Data, a data economic and investment summit. They showcase the rich potentials, the areas that they want investment from.
Download Find Them now and upload your products and your services so that people can easily see them and buy from you. Also, anything that you're looking for, go to findamnow.com. You will see it there. Download the App Store, the app from App Store and Google Play Store.
Now for the record, the FCID of the police has invited a IDGMO. They say investigation has started. Yes, let's start from there. You don't understand? I don't make videos since I did BC, I just reach house. You don't understand? Let's start from there. More not say yes. We don't start from that place. So let them do a proper investigation, a very proper investigation. Please, this concern the citizens of Nigeria. This concern the justice system of Nigeria. I beg. Because if this thing be true, not if it be true, come on, Papa, they talk with evidence, not true. So people should not come out and start giving us different storyline. We know some Papa know they lie. Yes, that's what we are not for. That's the only thing we have. We are not for that. We know they lie for this side. No, we don't need to lie here. So please, AIGGMO, please, you have been invited. Let's start from there. Now, this is a special thank you to everybody that has raised awareness on this case, right from the one who started to raise awareness. This is to show that, yes, our voice will count for this country with time. Now, our generation, Nigeria, go for better. I'm not saying I'm maths. Now, we go start on. If our parents has failed us, parents don't fail us, they cannot speak. We will speak. You don't understand? And a big shout out to Very Dark Man. Yes, you don't really let us they know. Say yes, you know what you are doing. Not be saying I'm clapping. Evidence they cry. And I'll say it again. You see all this evidence people are seeing online. And then if you say the evidence now, if you know Very Dark Man, you will not say don't be what more evidence they will never put online. Real evidence. Because I'm king of evidence. In fact, his second name is evidence. Evidence Lord. If Very Dark Man not get enough strong evidence, you know, say, well, even if you say this thing corrupt, if Very Dark Man not get evidence, so you know, talk. That's why I like him. If you let me say, man, they already see the apple. If evidence not they say there is no record, there's no picture, there's no statement, there's no thing, it's not going to say a word. And I'll tell you for free that Very Dark Man has been studying this case since. He don't know where to go for start. He don't know where to go for end.
Download Find Them now from Google and App Store and upload your products and services so that people will be buying from you sharp. People will see your services and anything that you want to buy around your area. go to findamnow.com and search for it.